a smart tent.
Meow, meow.
Where are you, Marcy? We'll never be ready for our camping trip. I still can't tie knots.
Tying knots is so boring, though. The best thing is telling stories at bedtime. Spooky, scary stories.
Marcy, bedtime is for sleeping. I'm off to Madame Carol's for the sleeping bags. See you later.
Ah! We don't like being scared, Marcy. Yeah, we'd better make sure that the backpacks aren't too heavy to carry.
Marcy's isn't heavy at all. In fact, it's kind of comfy.
Meowgic, I wish Mikey and Valerie liked spooky, scary stories.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted. You got it.
Hooray! Hey, somebody put our tent up without us. It unzipped all by itself. Huh? What is it, Valerie?
A creepy tent that goes camping all by itself. Meowgic! You better give Meowgic back. I'm not afraid of you.
It ate a flashlight, but not Marcy. Hey, creepy tent, want a sandwich?
It didn't eat Valerie, Mikey, or me, but it ate things. Mikey, feed your backpack to it.
Mikey, play. Maybe it doesn't like music. This is Marcy's guitar. I can only play the violin with a bow. There was once a creepy old mean tent who didn't like music. That's all. I'm done now. Hey, Tenty, go fetch. No twigs either. How about a tasty backpack? Did I get swallowed yet?
No, Mikey, it doesn't eat people, only objects. And Meowgic.
He was in Marcy's backpack. Hey, wait! It only eats the things we would need for our camping trip. Creepy tent sure is smart.
Hey, I think I know how to save Meowgic. Tents, come get it. Yum, yum, yum. Oh.
Hooray! Those nuts sure came in handy. Everything's all packed for our camping trip.
Now we'll put up the tent. Let's do it. Oh. Mr. Tent, let your guest enter.
I'll keep watch out here.
Meowgic, you in there? Ah!
No magic, Marcy. Just a pigeon.
Meowgic, you're okay. I wish this was a normal tent.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
Hooray! Meowgic is back.
Oh, you all put up the tent together. Oh, so there are the sleeping bags. And you packed everything. Very good. All right then. We ready?
Yes, Mama. And can we skip the scary stories at bedtime? I'd rather just go to sleep. I heard a story about a little boy who moved next to a stable. A horse came and said, "Hello, neighbor." Opposite day. Up, up, and away.
Ha!
Valerie, Mikey, dinner time!
Huh?
Oh, Marcy, we should head home.
Oh no, there goes our kite flying plan.
How come every day we have to do what we're supposed to? Meowgic, I want everything to be opposite.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
Valerie, Mikey, don't worry about dinner. Play as long as you want.
Eating's bad for your health.
That's odd. What's wrong with the grown-ups? Huh? Whoa!
Now our kites are flying underground. Amazing!
Meowgic, what have you done?
What? It's opposite day. From now on, everything is opposite the way it should be.
Wow! Now we can do things that are forbidden. Let's pick flowers and make bouquets out of them.
But won't Madame Carol be upset?
Children, I will be devastated if you don't destroy my beautiful flower beds.
Yay!
Well done, kids. All children who misbehave this way should get presents, don't you think? And therefore, I do not invite you into my home to get them.
Wow, everything's all topsy-turvy.
Why, of course, my dear. I always try to keep everything in a perfect state of disorder. Now then, where are the no presents?
Meow. Ow. Hey, what's going on? Cats are supposed to play with yarn, not the other way around. Well, I admit, I guess I brought this on myself. Ow.
Oh?
So many presents, and not one for you.
Madame, control your yarn, will ya?
Arena? No, please do not enter.
I'm not saying hello. Who doesn't want some cake?
I don't. I thought you didn't like to eat cake. You said too much sugar was bad for the body.
Cakes are an important part of a nutritious diet, Marcy, especially before lunch. Well, since no one else wants cake, I won't eat it.
And now, not tea time.
By the way, Marcy, no park trip tomorrow, like we didn't plan.
But Mom, you promised.
So, we'll do the opposite.
Now, here we are. A present for you naughty, misbehaving children. But you must not open it because I am not giving you a present.
Hungry.
Valerie, Mikey.
Yay, time to eat?
Afraid not. Just the opposite.
You know, opposite day sure isn't much fun.
I'm through with opposite day. Meowgic! Meowgic!
This is not fun.
Meowgic, I wish today...
Not now, Marcy. I'm in a bit of a tangle at the moment.
Oh, let's lure those yarn balls into this box.
Uh-huh.
Meowgic, down here! This may just be the most useful present Madame Carol never ever gave us. Jump on the raft, Meowgic. Meowgic, I wish opposite day would end right now.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
Valerie, Mikey, dinner time.
Marcy, let's head on home.
Hooray! You think I could have a snack, Mom? There once was a little boy, and he lived in the opposite world. He didn't want a snack, and so that's why he ate a snack. Greeny!
Not bad, Meowgic. You could be a yoga instructor.
When it comes to yoga, I'm an expert. Especially the cat stretch.
Hmm.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meowgic, would you like to play nights with us?
Uh-huh.
Boy, you sure are lucky to have Meowgic, Marcy. It would be awesome if we could have a pet too. We'd always play with it.
Got you. Meowgic, I wish Valerie and Mikey could have their very own pet.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
An egg? What are we supposed to do with a pet egg, Meowgic?
I wanted to train it to play with us.
I'm not sure that will be possible, Mikey.
Huh? I got it! Oh.
Where I come from, only the bravest of the brave can catch a dragon.
I think we'll call him Greeny. Okay, little one?
Oh, right. From now on, we can pretend our brave knights caught a dragon. Maybe he wants something?
Maybe he's tired. Lalu, baby boo, go to sleep now, dragon do.
I think he's hungry. Maybe we should give him lunch.
Great idea! Meowgic, what do dragons eat anyway?
What do you think? Fruit, of course.
Have a banana, little Greeny.
A pear? Or an apple? Oh! Meowgic, we tried fruit, but Greeny doesn't like
A
anything.
dragon only eats fruit that grows on the dragon tree.
Why didn't you say that before? What does a dragon tree look like?
A dragon tree? Well, it's green and it's got little prickles all over it. Just like that. Only bigger.
Where did Greeny go?
We wrote you this song, Madame Carol.
Brava, dear Marcy. What an absolutely delightful greeting you've given me. I'll get you some tea.
Huh? Huh?
Bye for now.
But I have cookies. They're homemade.
Such a naughty dragon. He won't stop wiggling. What could he possibly want now?
Hey, maybe he wants to fly.
Come on, Greeny, let's fly. Wait. I think he wants to eat Mama's favorite cactus.
Ooh, Greeny's skin feels kind of hot. I think he has a fever.
Then he should have plenty of bed rest.
And lots of raspberry jam.
Meowgic, Greeny's coughing smoke.
Ah, that just means his dragon flame is awakening. Soon he'll return to the volcano world to be with his kind and learn how to control his fire.
But we want little Greeny to stay with us.
Well, if he does, he might just burn up the whole yard.
Yeah, I guess it's not really fair to Greeny, is it? We have to let him go home.
Goodbye, little buddy.
Meowgic, I wish little Greeny could go to Volcano World.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
We'll see you later, Greeny.
Oh, here's one of those dragon trees I told you about.
Cool, I'll give it to Mama.
Did you hear about that tree my neighbors planted? They grow kittens on it. It's true. Marcy through the looking glass.
It's such a nice day.
It's a bit breezy,
Yeah, that's true.
but not bad.
Jumpy boots are ready for testing. Let's do it.
I heard about this one girl. She jumped so high, she landed in a cloud and floated off like a dandelion.
I bet you can jump up 1,000,000 miles, Marcy.
Valerie, Mikey, lunchtime, kiddos.
Ooh, our mom made pie. Okay, be right back. Better not jump without us.
I'll jump real quick before they come back. They'll never know.
Oh dear, I think you've dropped something.
So right, dear.
Hi, Madame Carol. Do you happen to have tape?
There's some on the table inside.
By the way, you didn't forget to clean your room like you promised, right? You've got 5 minutes left.
I'll get right on it, promise.
As I was saying.
Marcy, cleaning time.
Oh, no. I'll never have any time to play. I wish I could be in 2 places at once.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
I've always wanted a twin sister. I want to be just like you. That's great. You can clean my room. Hooray for cleaning. Just don't let anybody know there's 2 of us, okay? It'll make a great, silly surprise. Thanks a lot for the tape, Madame Carol.
Wait, you're here? I thought you'd already left.
Yeah, but I like pie the best. Cool. It's time to test them out. Oh, wait. Your right boot isn't working. It looks like your spring is missing.
Don't worry, Valerie. We can just hop on 1 foot like this. Last one to the door's a rotten egg.
Well, all right.
Huh? Oh.
Huh? Huh? It looks like Marcy is the winner. Yeah, but where's the jumpy boot gone?
Oh, it's over here.
It fell off. I better make the clasp a bit tighter.
Hey, you guys, why don't we play something new?
Huh?
Marcy, Dad's made some treats for us. Everyone, come on inside.
Yay!
Hi, Mom. I'm here. This wasn't the plan at all.
My goodness! I thought you had just gone inside, but are you all alone now? How about some tea? Confusing. I thought you were just sitting there. Maybe... Oh, I think I need to lie down.
Hey, you took away my mom and my home. Meowgic, send her inside the mirror.
What?
Meowgic, send her back. She's the reflection.
I'd love to, but I can't do magic if I can't see. Let me out.
I think she's my mom. She isn't. She's mine.
Marcy. And Marcy? That explains it. I knew there was something weird going on. So why are there 2 Marcys?
I wanted to do everything. So I had Meowgic bring out my reflection. But second Marcy won't behave. I'm the real Marcy. That's the one from the reflection.
Freedom!
Meowgic, send her back to the mirror right now.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted. Meow. I'm a little lost here. Which one is the real Marcy?
Me!
What's something that only the real Marcy could tell us?
Look, Valerie, the other spring fell off. I jumped, but I should have waited. I'm sorry, I really am.
It's okay. At least you were honest. Here, good as new again.
Hooray! You're the real Marcy.
I'll make you go into the mirror instead. Watch this.
Did you kids just see that? There were 2 Marcys.
No, Madame Carol, that's just a mirror.
Oh, you know, all day, kids, I've been seeing double. I need to get my eyes checked.
Did you ever hear about the street sweeper who swept the street so much it completely disappeared? Now you see me, meow you don't.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Aha! A new record, guys. I found Marcy in just 3 seconds.
I'm not Marcy, I'm a purple unicorn.
Nice try, Marcy. Meowgic, you can't hide there. I never would have found you that high.
What can I say? I'm a hide-and-seek master. Unlike some kids that I know.
Oh, boo. And I thought I hid well.
All right, everyone, go hide. And good hiding spots this time. Don't make it too easy.
Just watch. There's no way you'll find me this time.
1,
Magic.
2,
Make it so she'll never find me at all.
4.
Magic tails and paws enchanted. Make a wish and now it's granted.
Meowgic, how come you didn't hide me? Now I gotta find my own spot.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Oh, well, I guess you found me quick again, Valerie.
There's no one there.
Again?
1 down and 2 to go. Aha! Marcy must have found a really good place to hide.
Hey, hello! I'm right here. Can you really not see me? You can't hear me? Meowgic, I'm right here.
That's it. I know where to look now. She's there.
All right, about time.
She must be hiding in Madame Carol's shop. Good afternoon, Madame Carol.
Yes. Hello there, kids.
Did Marcy come in here to hide?
Not in here. I haven't seen her at all today.
Hey, guys. Hey, just look. You see this? I'm doing this.
What in the world? There must be a draft. Oh. 1 moment.
What is that? A ghost? What's going on?
Surely not. There's no such thing as ghosts.
Oh, neat. I want to see a ghost. Where's the ghost? Ah, you must be scared because you can't see or hear me. Oh, hang on.
I told you, Valerie. I know that's a ghost.
Hey, wait a second. They think I'm the ghost, huh? Awesome!
Huh? think we're dealing with ordinary magic and not a ghost. What'd you do this time, Meowgic? And where is Marcy gone now?
Meow. I'm a little unclear on that.
Ooh, interesting decor today. Say, have you kids seen Marcy? We're going swimming.
Aunt Serena, we're playing hide and seek, but Marcy's hidden a little too well.
Just let her know I'm waiting outside when you do find her.
Swimming! I totally forgot. Wait up, Mom. Mom? I'll never be found. What do I do? Meowgic, I don't want to be invisible anymore. Not when even you can't see me or hear me either.
We gotta find Marcy. What if the ghost took her away somewhere?
I'm not a ghost for the millionth time, guys. Check this out.
Oh dear, what? Just call me Meowgic the Flying Cat. Marcy, let go of me.
Happy morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that's our counting song.
How would the ghost know how to play your song, though?
Because that isn't a ghost at all. It's just our Marcy. Right, Meowgic?
Yep, that's right. She wanted a hiding spot.
Then bring her back right now.
Sadly, no. Marcy has to make her own wish undoing the last one.
Are you there? Give us a sign.
Undo spell, make me seen now. Magic tails and paws enchanted, make a wish and now it's granted.
Oh, hello there. How's the game?
Hooray! You can see that I'm here.
Of course, why wouldn't I?
There you are. There's my little hide-and-seek champion.
Did you guys hear that the street sweeper guy has a flying broomstick? I want to ask if we can ride on it.
Hooray!